You guys still don't know what's going on. Maybe I should give them like the final result. Okay, just wait for it. What are we doing? Because I don't have any control on anything. Well, today is the day that I'm actually doing a modification to the interior of the car for the first time. I mean, not the first time. I already have these lights, but I'm actually doing a modification to these trims here. All right, pulling in. Oof, oof, oof. You're already doing that, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Damn, he's already on this one.
Hi YouTube, am I famous yet?
Yeah, you're famous now. I mean, am I famous yet? He's already on. Ooh. I'm excited. Look at that color. Now you're gonna look at a naked interior from a Challenger. It's pretty awesome. It's cool. So if you guys saw the video I had on the short shifter, this is how it is. It's actually, gotta flip this up actually. And then we have the Uconnect head-up display and everything else. I really wish they came out with like a digital one. Got a little time lapse going on here, so hopefully that works really good.
As you can see here, we are outlining the cup holders. We're using a heat machine to go through that, and then very gently with the glove, you just want to touch its curves real quick and just love it like that real quick. You see?
That's awesome.
Then it outlines it like that.
That's pretty good. Yeah, it kind of calm off.
Yes,
I
nice
like it.
sick.
Just the video. Well, that's shaping pretty good. I'm excited. I actually went to get some coffee because coffee is always needed. I don't know if you guys can see me, but coffee is always needed. Got some coffee for both me and Liz. And this is pretty weird to drive it now because I don't have any control on anything. And yeah, literally everything right there. So it's pretty crazy to drive the car like now. How we doing this?
We're doing pretty good.
Good? Oh
we
my
have
god.
a dash gun.
Damn. Precise cuts. Finally the time to put it back. Yay.
So it works.
It works.
That's always good.
You got a visitor, huh?
Yes, we do. Oh, baby head.
Let's go.
He's like, nope.
The last cuts.
Finally.
You see
do you
that?
think?
Ooh. What do I think? Damn. I think damn. Damn guys, look at this. Beautiful.
Ooh.
Y'all killed it, huh? Alright, this guy just wrapped this up. I mean, literally wrapped it up. And looks so beautiful. Huge thanks to Tony, Liz, and SJ. Thank you. Thank you.
Always.
And thank you. If you guys need anything wrap related, wrap your cars, wrap your dashboard, what do you guys do?
We wrap cars, motorcycles, interiors.
We make decals.
We can wrap your
Decals
life.
too.
We can wrap your life basically. So
Basically.
Wrap your life, but LT Wrap. They can find you on Instagram.
On Instagram, LT_wraps. And I mean our personal.
and
Instagrams.
personal is redrum_6.0.
And Liz_C0FFEE.
SJGT.0.
Nice. I'm gonna link them all down in the description below. Make sure to give them a follow, and if you guys need anything wrap related, hit them up. Well, shout out to my friends at LT Wraps one more time for making my project happen and helping me out with wrapping those trims in the car. It actually looks really good when the sun or the light hits on it. It looks way more beautiful than what was intended to be. It looks really good. There's one more thing left to do, and because we had to take my L wiring out, I have to add a new one to the trim. And what I'm gonna do now is to actually redo the L wire around the trim so make it actually pop a little more. I had that for 2 years and it was a little bit decolorated. That's why I'm getting another one. It's gonna be linked in the description below. This is not gonna be a video to show you how to do it. If you want to learn it, I'm gonna link another video down below. It's the video that I watched to install it, but it's pretty easy, fairly easy. It doesn't cost too much. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections. But let's jump into the GoPro and install the Elvar. First, you have to take this old one out, and it runs. Let me take this out real quick. It actually runs in this trim, and it's pretty easy to pop this off. You just have to do this, and that's it. This is out. There we go. Just like that. This comes off. Now I'm gonna have fun putting this back together, I guess. There we go. Alright, this old Elvar is out. Just finished up this part, fairly easy. Didn't take that long. And now we're gonna go on there and go around here to get this part done. Well, it's finished now, and you guys can see how it turns on and looks really good, better than I thought. And that's pretty much it for this video. I tried to take some b-rolls and show it to you guys. If you guys have already watched it, means I made it happen. If not, it's because I'm losing light and this daylight saving is actually killing me. But with that terrible disappointment, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and also turn your notification bells on for more videos to come out. And with that all being said, this vlog is over. Always stay amazing until I see you guys in the next one. Peace.